Hello students, in this video we are going to solve some questions from exercise 1D. So the first question that we will solve is question number 9. The question number 9 is a garment factory sold goods worth 8,23,506 rupees in the month of March. Now the sale proceeds for first 2 weeks were 2,03,456 and 1,93,234. So what was the sale proceeds of the last 2 weeks? That means we have to add these two terms first, then we have to subtract the sum from this one. So let us solve this problem. So first we will write the total sale proceeds for the first 2 weeks that means we have to find the total of 2,03,456 and 1,93,234. So when you will add it, you will get 396,690. That means this is the total sale for first 2 weeks. Now we have to find what was the sale proceed for the last 2 weeks. Therefore the sale proceed for last 2 weeks is equal to, so what we have to do, we have to subtract this one from 8,23,506. okay, so we have to write like 396,690. so what we will get is 4,26,816. So let us move to the next question. The next question that we will solve is question number 11. So the question is, a box contains 8 strips having 15 capsules of 250 mg medicine in each capsule. So find the total weight in grams of medicine in 50 such boxes. So let us solve it. So first we have to find out the weight of 15 capsules of 250 milligram each. So what we have to do, we have to multiply 15 into 250 mg. We will get 3715 mg. This is the total weight for 15 capsules. Then we have to find the weight of a box which contain 80 strips of 15 capsules. So we have to multiply 8 into 3750 mg. That will be 30,000 mg. mg means milligram. Now a box weight 30,000 mg. Now there are 50 such boxes. So what we have to do, we have to multiply 50 into 30,000. We will get this one. Now what we have to do, we have to convert in gram. So to convert in gram, we have to divide it by 1000. So the answer will be 1500 grams. The next question we will solve is question number 13. The question is, the student of class 6 of a school collect rupees 5,68,750 for Prime Minister's Relief Fund. So if 350 was contributed by each child, so how many children are there in the school? So what we have to do, we just need to divide. So let's see how we have to do it. So as I have told you, you have to divide. So we will write the number of children in the school are 568750 divided by 350. When you will divide it, you will get 1625 children. So what you have to do, you have to divide in the proper division method. So you will get this answer. The next question that we are going to solve is question number 15. It is given at a rock concert there were 5500 spectators. So out of which 750 were invitees who were given free tickets. That means for invitees they will charge no money. So the total collection from the sale of the tickets was 5,93,750. So what was the cost of one ticket? So let us solve it. So here it is given the number of paid spectators. That means without taking the invitees, the people that paid for the ticket will be 5,500 minus 750. So it will be 4,750. The cost of one ticket will be the total collection, that means 5,93,750 divided by 4,750. So the cost of one ticket is 125. So it is the end of exercise 1D. Next we will go to chapter 2. So this is exercise 2A. So we are going to solve it now. The successor of the smallest whole number is 1. The whole number starts with 0. So the successor, that means plus 1. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. Now the predecessor of the smallest natural number. So the smallest natural number is 1. Predecessor means before 8. So it will be 0. Now every whole number is not a natural number. Number 4. Every whole number on the number line is greater than every whole number on its left. So the fifth one is the difference between two consecutive whole number is 1. Next question number 2. Write 3 consecutive successor of 10999. So the next number will be 11000. After that 11001 and 11002. Question number 3. Write 3 whole numbers just occurring before 20,001. So it will be 19998. After that 19999 and 20,000. So these are the numbers which occurs just before 20,001. In question number 4, we have to put the symbol of greater than or lesser than. So in 1, 703 is smaller than 730. In question number 2, 1753 is greater than 1573. In question number 3, 48,932 is greater than 8,945. And in question number 4, it will also be greater than the second term. Question number 5, true false. The natural number 1 has no predecessor in natural number. Yes, it is true. Next, the whole number 23 lies between 21 and 22. It is false. The predecessor of this one is, let us see, yes, it is also true. 0 is the smallest natural number. No, it will be false. 0 is the smallest whole number. And number 5, the successor of 2-digit number. The successor of 2-digit number is always a 3-digit number. It is also false. So this is exercise 2A. Now we will start exercise 2B. In question number 1, you have to fill the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. Also you have to state the property used to solve it. So in first question, in the blank you have to write 256, and the property we will use is commutative property. In question number 2, here you can write any number, or you will write 0 plus 0 will be 384. Now which property it is? It is additive property of 0. Now in number 3, 45 plus, here will be 67, okay, plus 120 equal to 45 plus 67, here will be 120. Now what is the property name? It is the associative property. Associative property. In question number 2 of exercise 2B, you have to find the sum in each of the following and then check by reversing the order of the attendance. So after that you have to find, are both the sum equal? Yes, the sum will be equal, okay, in both the cases. So then which property of addition they show? So they will show commutative property. Okay, so in question number 3, find the sum by suitable arrangement. So we will solve part 1 and part 3. So let's check how I am solving. So in question number 3 part 1, what we have to do, we have to associate the numbers, and we will try to make the multiple of 10 or 100 or 1000 if possible. Okay, now if you see, if you add these two numbers, then we will get a multiple of 100, that is 900. So we will associate them together. We will add them together first, so make it 900, and at last we will add 315, so that answer we will get is 1215. Now in part 3 all these numbers are given, so we will choose the numbers which we are able to make multiple of 100 or 1000, whatever. So if we add 22 with 78, then we will get 100. Now if we add 86 with 14, then we will get 100, and when we add 11 with 89, then we are getting 100. So 100 plus 100 plus 100 and 97 is left, so we have to write as it is. So 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 300, plus 97 is 397 will be the answer. This is exercise 2D. In first question, you have to fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement using properties of multiplication, and then also name the property used in each of them. So question number 1, part 1, here you will write 57, and which property is used? It is commutative property. Okay. In question number 2, 1623 into 1, so the answer will be 1 into 1623. So this is known as property of 1. Part 3, 0 into 8135, the answer will be 0. Which property it is? It is known as property of 0. In number 4, 17 into 24 into 102. So we will get, fill in the blanks, here will be 24. Now which property is it? This is known as associative property. Part 4 will be associative property. Part 5, here will be in the left hand side it is given 87 into 19. So in the right hand side we will write 80 into 19 plus 7 into 19. We have divided 87 as 80 plus 7. Now which property is it? Number 5, it is known as distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now number 6 will be 0. In the blank we have to write 0. Which property it is? It is property of 0. In number 7, it is given 28 into 197 will be equal to 28 into 200 minus 28 into 3. 197 we can write as 200 minus 3. So which property it is? It is known as distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Number 8. So 135 into 198 minus 135 into blank you have to give. So what we will subtract from 198 to get 100? We will subtract 98. So which property it is? It is also the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Now the last one, 9. 256 into 28 will be 256 into 10 plus 256 into 8 plus 256 into 10. We have expanded 28 as 10 plus 10 plus 8. Okay, now which property it is? It is distributive property of multiplication over addition. So question number 1 is over. Now let us solve question number 2. The question number 2 is find a product by suitable arrangement. Suitable arrangement means we will choose the number which we are able to make the multiple of 10 or 100 or 1000, like this way. Okay, so if in question number part 1, question number 2 part 1, if you multiply 2 and 50, you will get 100. So just multiply 100 with 2056, you will get 205600. Same way, if you multiply 25 into 4, you will get 100, and that 100 multiply with 766 will give 76600. Now let us solve some more questions. So in question number 2 part 4, we have 625 into 18 into 16 into 2. Now as I have told you, we will try to make the multiple of 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000, etc. So if we multiply 625 into 16, we will get 10,000, and we will multiply 18 into 2 separately, we will get 36. Now simply multiply 36 with 10,000, we will get this one. Next question number 6. So if you multiply 20 into 30, we will get 600, which is a multiple of 100, into 508, we will get the answer. Okay. In question number 3, we have find the value of the following using suitable property. Suitable property means, let me show you question number 2 and 4. So 3, 2, we have 1723 into 86 plus 1723 into 14. So in both the term we can see 1723 is common. So we will take 1723 common, and what is left inside the bracket will be 86 plus 14. We know 86 plus 14 will be 100. So simply multiply 100 with 1723, we will get 172300. Now in the part 4, you can see in all three terms 11934 is common. So we will take 11934 common, and what is left is 27 plus 13 plus 60, the sum of which will be 100. So multiply 100 with the number, you will get the answer. In question number 4, using the distributive property of multiplication, find the following products. So let us solve 2, 4 and 6. In question number 4 part 2, we have to multiply 325 into 1008. Now 1008 we can write as 1000 plus 8. So multiply 325 with 1000 first, then plus, and then multiply 325 with 8. We will get 2600. Now add these two, this will be the answer. In part 4, 1078 into 96. 96 we can write as 100 minus 4. Now 1078 first multiply with 100, then minus, and then 1078 multiply with 4. So we will get 4312. When you subtract it, you will get 103488 as answer. Now in sixth one, 2341 into 999. 999 we can write as 1000 minus 1. So 2341 first multiply with 1000, then multiplied with 1. So when you subtract it, you will get this as a answer. Next we will solve question number 5. Question number 5 is determine the product of the greatest number of 3 digits and greatest number of 4 digits. You have to use distributive property. So let's see how to do it. So the greatest number of 3 digit is 999 and the greatest number of 4 digit is 9999. So their product will be this one. What you have to do, in any one of these greatest number, suppose this one 9999, we can write it as 10,000 minus 1. You can also write 999 as 1000 minus 1. So first multiply 999 with 10,000 and then multiply 999 with 1. You will get this one, and when you will subtract it, you will get this as a answer. Last question number 6. A vendor supplies 42 liters of milk to a school in morning and 58 liters of milk in evening. So if the milk cost rupees 45 per liter, so using distributive property, find how much money is due to the vendor per day. So let's see. In question number 6 we have to use distributive property. So as per the distributive property, we can write the equation like this way. So it will be 45 into 42 plus 58 will be 100. So it will be rupees 4500. So the money due to the vendor per day, therefore the money due to the vendor per day is equal to rupees 4500. Now this is the end of exercise 2D. Now we will go to exercise 2E. This is exercise 2E. In this question you are going to learn about division. So first of all you need to write down the division algorithm. That is, one formula you have to write here. The formula is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, this formula you have to remember. So the first question is, on dividing a certain number by 126, the quotient is 15 and the remainder is 4. So find the number. That means dividend you have to find out. You just need to put the values in the place. So let's see how to do it. And so this is the formula. So in this question you have to find a dividend. So what is dividend, what is divisor, what is quotient and what is remainder? Let me show you. Suppose we have to divide 5 by 2. So we have to write like 5 divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and remainder is 1. So here these 2 is known as divisor. This 5 is known as dividend. This 2 here is known as quotient, and 1 we have got at the end is called remainder. So in question number, what you have to find? We have to find the dividend. So let us put the values in the place. So divisor is 126 into the quotient is 15 plus the remainder is 4. So first what we have to do, we have to multiply 126 into 15. It will be 1890 plus 4. So the number is 1894. I hope the formula and these terms are clear to you. Let us move to next question. The next question is, on dividing 28,853 by 63, the quotient is 456. You have to find a remainder. So let us put the numbers in the formula. So we have the numbers like dividend is 28,853, divisor 63, quotient 456. We have to find remainder. So first what we have to do is to multiply 63 into 456. We will get 28,728. Then we have to subtract to get the remainder as 125. Now let us move to question number 3. So any number divided by 1 will be same number. 0 divided by any number will be 0. Now first we will solve the bracket. So 726 by 7 divided by 726 will be 1. So 10,001 minus 1 will be 10,000. If you have 0 in any place of division or multiplication, the answer will be 0. Now 1385 divided by 1385, since they are same number and if we divide we will get 1. So 999 plus 1 will be 1000. So this is the end of chapter 2 also. So hope all the exercise is clear to you. One question is left. So I hope you will answer it well. Find a whole number n such that n divided by n is equal to n. That means what same number you will divide so that you will get the same number. So the value of n will be 1. That means 1 divided by 1 will be 1. Okay. So practice for all the questions. Some questions I have left that you will practice at home. If any query you have, you can ask me. Thank you.